How you can join a Zoom meeting. So all you need to do is to open your Zoom workplace, and here in home section you can find here this join area, join icon. So we want to click it. Once you click it, you can enter here your name, which will be visible, and enter here also the meeting ID or personal link name. So it should be, for example, the number which you're gonna get from your friend. Then click on join. If you don't know where to get this meeting ID, I'm going to show it to you. If someone create a meeting, he has to click here on your name of your Zoom meeting, and here is the meeting ID. So that person has to copy it and paste it and send it to you, and you have to enter it here. Another option is to just copy this invite link and send it to him, or it should be sent it to you. Also, another way how you can do it here is the participants. Click it, you can invite it here. In this area, you can click this arrow. Here you can invite or copy invite link. And that's how you can join a Zoom meeting. You have to be invited first, or you have to have some numbers of ID. If you have any question, just let me know, and see you next time.